the beautiful view of the escarpment, guys. But the roads are so damn bad, extra bad. Roads everywhere. But we have the view, guys. We have the view. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. That's Fog. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video, guys. Yeah, to like, bana, to like, support your boy. I'm solo. Going for just a road trip, small road trip. Yes, guys. Just a small road trip. It's one of the most dangerous roads in Kenya. Yeah, very, very dangerous roads in Kenya. Many accidents, people die, guardrails are out. And here we have people selling the Masai shit in these curious shops. Yeah, we have some nice things here. Very, very nice stuff. Yeah, guys, so here is the place where people stand to see the beauty of Kenya. Yeah, the beauty of Kenya. It's actually a good place. Yeah, down there it's nice view. And over there, I don't know if you can see it. That's Mount Longonot. It's a volcanic mountain. Yes, that's there. I don't know if you can see, guys, but it's foggy. Yeah, very nice slopes. Yeah, guys, welcome to Kenya. Visitors, if you're out there and you want to visit Kenya, Kenya is the best place. Has beautiful sceneries along this area. Yeah, I can say that. Beautiful, very, very beautiful sceneries. Wild animals, the big five. Yeah, man, just welcome to Kenya, man. Welcome to Kenya. Come to your beautiful country, guys. Kenya. I don't know if you can get a very good look at it. We have here a monkey. A baboon or a monkey. They came along this road here to find food. Like this. Yeah, basically they come to look for food. Yeah, make sure, guys, you like, subscribe, share, and thank you for all those returning subscribers, guys. Commenting, like, man, what kind of vlogs do you want your boy to shoot? Look at this one, just sitting there enjoying sunbath. What kind of content do you want us to share? What kind of content do you want us to do, guys? This morning. Thank you share your views, your points, so that we can explore together. For those who can't, maybe this area I can show you my channel and you'll be close and familiar with Kenya. Guys, this road is the old Naivasha road. Yeah, it's going to a town called Mai Mahiu. Yeah, called Mai Mahiu. The town is derived from I guess a Kikuyu word, Mai Mahiu, which means a place of hot water, something like that. Yeah, the town serves as various functions. It connects the people from Nairobi, the people from Naivasha, and the people from Narok. Yeah, basically Narok, Western Kenya, Western region, and the region people. Yeah, so yeah, like share for more vlog, guys. See you on my next video.